Welcome to DynaMaker features. Static models. Did you know that you can use your own models in DynaMaker? It's very simple. In order to use them in DynaMaker, start by having them in a suitable 3D format, like GLB as we do here. Once you have them ready, upload them to your application under Files, and make sure to create static models out of them by checking the box underneath. You will then see them under the Static Models section, which means that they are ready to use. Next, go into your component where you want to add them. In this case, assembly. Make sure to import your assets at the top of the code section and simply add them by typing assets.staticModels. As you type, you will see all the static models available from the dashboard. Finally, make sure you are using the right scale when adding them to your geometry group and save your changes. You will see your models in the preview section. Then, these models can be included with other components. Do you want to know more? Check out our documentation at docs.dynamaker.com.